We all like roller coasters. We all like the roller coaster selection at Carowinds. From the top-rated Fury 325 to the smaller coasters like Wilderness Run.
Incredibly excited to introduce bigger, better, Snoopier family fun in 2025.
Camp Snoopy already has not one, but two family-friendly roller coasters.
What we're really excited about in this project is that we've listened to our families, and this is going to be our largest investment in family fun in the park history.
In 2025, Carowinds Camp Snoopy will have 3 roller coasters as Snoopy's Racing Railway comes to the park next year.
It'll go 0 to 31 miles per hour in mere seconds.
Mom, dad, kids, and the whole group will be able to experience the bigger, better Snoopier in 2025.
It will accommodate families with little ones as small as 36 inches tall.
Additionally, there's also a new wet experience.
We're also introducing a water ride, Charlie Brown's River Raft Blast.
We've been working on this investment in Camp Snoopy for a couple years now.
Families and all of our guests will be able to get on and interact with other boats and people on shore while they make their trek around the lake and see some of their favorite Peanuts characters.
Coaster and water enthusiasts, get ready for more Camp Snoopy fun.
We are excited to bring 2 new rides here to Camp Snoopy.